good thing about Japan, there's the mountain. Can you see the mountain here? There's the mountain, and this is the lake. So it's a perfect combination. No, napakaganda. We need to take good care of our environment because God gave this to us, so we can take good care of it. You know, our planet is the only place that we have, so we need to save it. Pero dito hindi siya wala siyang amoy. Talagang malinis. Sana ganun din tayo na Philippines. I like the sound of the waves. Can you hear it? I like the sounds of the waves. Sobrang ganda. That's why I love my job, you know, because I have the chance to go different places, different countries. So because of that, I want to give back. I want to show you